Today we're going to be making fabric or garment labels. Before we get started, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Here's the materials you need. Iron-on transfer paper. This particular brand works great because you don't have to invert the image. Works with most standard home printers. Any style ribbon of your choice also can be found at the Dollar Tree. Fabric scissors or any other scissors with a sharp blade, an iron, your computer, a printer, and a lighter. Now we're going to take our computer and go to Google and type in Avery. Avery is great because they offer many products and templates that you can use for free. The only thing you have to pay for is if they print it for you. I do recommend that you create an account before you get started. This way you can save your work. We're going to go over to templates. Scroll down. Here are many options that you can use all for free. Once you decide on the template that you want, I decided for this label to use a return address labels. From here, you'll see that you can download it and work on the project off the website, or you can continue to design it on their website. They have a lot of options and examples to help you get started, or you can just start with a blank template. From here, you can import your designs. Just going to use a picture that I have saved. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can have them print it yourself from the website, or you can download the PDF and print it from a different application. In this case, I decided to download the PDF. That way I can just pull it up from my desktop whenever I need to reprint. From here, you're going to load your photo transfer paper. Please follow the instructions on the back and any instructions that you need for your printer. You're going to print out your image and line it up to your ribbon. Once you're satisfied with that, we're going to take out the parchment paper that's included with the photo transfer paper and iron as directed. Use the scissors to cut off any excess ribbon and use the lighter to burn the ends to stop the ribbon from fraying. This method is great for adding a personalized touch to any handmade craft or garments that you create.